Hello, coding stars! Are you ready for some musical magic today? Let's make some awesome rhythm patterns with instruments like drums or bells. Grab your musical ears and let's get started. A rhythm pattern is like a little story made with sounds. Listen to this. Do you hear the pattern? Listen to this. Do you hear the pattern? It's like a fun sound puzzle that repeats itself. Now it's your turn. Find something to tap. Maybe a toy drum, a box, or even your lap, and try it with me. Ready? Fantastic job! Let's mix it up. Here's a new pattern. Can you try it? Awesome! You're creating your very own rhythm story. Ready for a challenge? Here's a tricky one. Let's do it together. What comes next? Try it out! You did it! Your rhythm skills are getting better and better. Wow, coding stars, you rocked those rhythms! Remember, patterns are all around us, even in music. Keep practicing and see if you can make your own rhythm stories at home. Don't forget to share your rhythm ideas in the comments below. And if you had fun like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We've got so much more exciting music and coding fun ahead. See you next time.